Pepper is the first humanoid robot capable of recognizing the principal human emotions. He can adapt to any behavior and mood of his user. Use Pepper in hospitality care or retail as a new way of welcoming and amusing your customers. He can help you find the right product or show you the way into the hospital. Pleasant and likable, Pepper is much more than a robot. He is a genuine humanoid companion created to communicate with you in the most natural and intuitive way, through his body movements and his voice.
Suggestion, sir. Maybe you might want to buy some flowers.
Pepper has numerous sensors and makes individual movements. Thanks to his face detection and built-in camera system, he can recognize any person in your customer's system and talk to them.
Make your choice, please. I will order it for you.
You can also personalize your robot by downloading the software applications that take your fancy. Learn, play, dance, and even chat in another language. Pepper adapts itself to you. Meet Pepper.